What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your referral link on Trading 212. So let's get started. Also, if you guys just recently created your Trading 212 account or you're just looking for a referral code, you can use my referral code from the description below to get one free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. So to get your free stock referral link in Trading 212, you would first need to go to these three horizontal lines in the bottom right here. Now once you're on the menu, you just go ahead and click Get Free Shares right here. And here you can tap Invite Friends. From here, this page will load up, and here you can see the copy link option right here. So just go ahead and click Copy Link. And there we go. Now the link has been copied and you can share it wherever you want to whoever you want, and when someone signs up, you will get a free share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.